Found a downed drone on your property or watched one hover over your yard and want to know who is behind it? That is a fair question. Whether you are trying to return a lost drone or figure out who keeps flying one over your home, lawful research can help. At People Locator Skip Tracing, our investigation team uses public records, registration, and open source research and address history to help identify who a drone may belong to, so you can return a found one to its rightful owner or address a repeated flyover the right way. The aim is a lawful, respectful resolution, returning a found drone or calmly addressing a flyover, never to harass anyone. We work only for lawful, permissible purposes, and we tell you straight what is findable and what is not. If a drone keeps showing up over your home and you want real answers, you have lawful options instead of guessing. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to start your search and subscribe to the channel for more ways to handle the unexpected things that land in your life.